describes the explanation and the verification of the financial records. It is also ensure that whether the financial record is prepared according to the rules and regulation of the state or not. Simply, we can say that accounting ends from their auditing start. My next topic is types of audit. Mainly, there are different type of audit, but I have presented here 7 top type of audit. The first one is external audit. External audit has to check the financial document whether it is working according to the rules of state or not. And the second one is internal audit. Internal audit has to have a control on internal document of the organization. And the third one is tax audit. Tax audit gives us information how can we reduce our tax in a legal way. And the next one is financial audit. Financial audit has to give us information that how we can maintain our monetary transaction, what rules we have to apply according to the Company Act that our company has been registered. And the next type is statutory audit. Statutory audit has to check the organization in which it is registered, in which company it is registered, and according to that it is working or not. An entity have to appoint statutory audit for performing the statutory transaction. And the next one is special audit. Mainly, special audit is the audit of government. It is used by the government and it can work as per the government and it can change anytime according to the rules of the government. And my next topic is objectives of an audit. The first topic is examining financial record. One of the most important objectives of audit is to examine the financial record by looking at the verification of different accounts and the account balance. And another topic is authenticity and the validity. Audit check the authenticity and the validity of the document by looking various supportive document. And my next objective is to check capital and revenue expenditure. Auditor examine whether there is a clear distinction of capital and expenditure or not, and it record as the primary objectives of the audit. And the next one is statutory compliance. Statutory compliance check whether the organization has maintained the document according to the existing rules of the country that is made by the regulatory bodies. And my next objectives of audit is detection and the prevention of fraud. Sometimes error may take place, like maybe it is due to sometimes carelessness or due to unavailability of information, or sometimes maybe it can be done intentionally. So if we do audit, auditor exactly find out what is the error in that document, and sometimes it also give us recommendation that how can we prevent that errors.
Okay, can you take one example of capital and revenue expenditure?
Yes, like if our revenue, our income is like 10,000 per month, but if we written in that transaction, like if we want to hide it, like our expenditure is 9,000.
It is expenditure, okay?
Yeah.
Interesting point. Like capital and revenue expenditure is simple now. The expenditures which can be enjoyed for a year. Suppose you have a bike. and you change the engine of that bike, that is your capital expenditure. सधैँ चेन्ज गर्छौ र इन्जिनलाई चेन्ज गर्न पर्यो. अब रेभेन्यू एक्सपेन्डिचर्स भनेको के हो? द एक्सपेन्डिचर्स you can enjoy for a certain period, like repairing of bike. Hey, bike repair गर्छौ, त्यो चाहिँ तिम्रो के हो? रेभेन्यू एक्सपेन्डिचर. एन्ड सो यस्तै हाम्रो सबभन्दा गाह्रो काम यही छ अडिटरलाई. बहुत गाह्रो. हामीले खाता चढाउन त सबै आउँछ. अब गएर खर्चलाई कसरी छुट्याउने आइडियै भयो है. अनि त्यही भएर के गर्छ? क्यापिटल र रेभेन्यू एक्सपेन्डिचर छुट्याउँछ. किन यस्तो गर्छ? त्यसको पनि अब धेरै कारणहरू छ. तीमध्येबाट एउटा प्रमुख कारण म भनिदिन्छु. किन गर्छ भन्दाखेरि तिम्रो एकाउन्टको प्राइस जुन हुन्छ त्यसलाई हामीले एडजस्टिङ गर्नुपर्ने. वी हैव टु मेन्टेन दैट इन एडजस्टिङ प्राइस. पहिलो कज हो. अर्को कज के हो भन्दा जस्तो तिमीले अब रिकन्डिसनमा ल्याउने, अब बाइकको कुरा गरे नि भर्खरै, इन्जिन नै किन फेर्न परेको त? यु क्यानट पर्चेस द न्यू बाइक अर नट? द क्वेसन हियर, यो क्वेसन आयो हो. यस्तै मेसिनमा पनि ठुलो लगानी हामीले गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. अब मेसिनलाई किन्दाखेरि त एकदम ठुलो कस्ट लाग्छ, हाई कस्ट लाग्छ. कमसेकम त्यसको स्पेयर पार्टबाट केही न केही त हामी चेन्ज ल्याउन सक्छौँ नि त. जस्तो टेक्नोलोजिकल चेन्जेस आइरहेछ हो कि न? यही कुराहरूलाई यही स्टेजमा जब हामी आउँछौँ नि अडिट गर्दाखेरि यो मेन अब्जेक्टिभ पनि छुट्याउन पनि पर्छ. ओके, थ्याङ्क यू. अर्को के छ? के छ?
Now I will like to continue my topic, and thank you, sir, for explaining me the confusion of the point. So now I would like to explain about the authority of the audit. Authority have the several rights, like right to call the annual general meeting, right to visit any branches of the organization which they like, right to make the audit report independently with the interference of others, without interference of other, and right to get remuneration. So here we came to the conclusion that the audit is an important process of every organization, but for some organization it is the mandatory requirement that organizations will do the external audit once in a year. The auditors will keep the primary and the secondary objectives of the audit because it helps them to get the clear opinion and to express the result fairly and accurately. Besides this, the external audit, in organizations will also hire the internal experience audit to keep check on their financial document. So, यदि मैले यति एक्सप्लेन गरेको पोइन्टहरुमा हजुरहरुलाई केही कन्फ्युजन छ भने केही क्रस क्वेशन सोध्न खोजिराख्नु भछ भने you can ask. So yeah, you can freely ask the question.
Any question to ask?
You can raise the question. मैले आफू जाने जतिको हजुरहरुलाई बुझाउने कोसिस गर्छु. Yeah, if any question you can ask please.
Any question? Yes sir. Yes.
Auditor को appointment कसरी हुन्छ कहिलेबाट
appointment. How the auditor is appointed? How the auditor is appointed?
Yeah, if it is the public company, then auditor can be appointed by the annual general meetings. Or if it is the non-public company, then it can be appointed by the board of the directors by voting the member of the board of directors. Clear?
when
What?
when
Time period.
In like annual meetings, you
Before
can
annual general meeting or after annual general meeting?
no like
So where it is declared? Can't declare गरेको auditor हामीले नियुक्ति गर्ने अडिटरलाई नियुक्ति गर्नुपर्छ नि
हजुर।
त्यही उसले कहाँनिर डिक्लेयर गर्यो
आफ्टर
मैले उसलाई अडिटर राख्छु भनेर भने होइन यो मैले कहाँनिर उसलाई अडिटर राख्ने भनेर कहाँनिर नियुक्ति दिएको मतलब उसलाई पोजिसन दिएको कहाँनिर एउटा पोस्ट दिएको
अकाउन्टिङको
सिम्पल कुरा हुन्छ तिमीलाई अडिटर राख्नको लागि मैले एक्लै राख्ने होइन सिङ्गलले राख्दैन बोर्डले राख्छ बोर्डले राख्दाखेरि केही त बनाउँछ नि त्यति बेला ल एउटा काम के गर भन्दाखेरि फाइन्ड आउट द मिनिङ अफ मेमोरेन्डम अफ एसोसिएसन यो कुरा मैले डिक्लेयर गर्नुका मेमोरेन्डम अफ एसोसिएसन अगर खोज्नु त मजाले गरेर यो भनेको के रहेछ मेमोरेन्डम अफ एसोसिएसन MOU यसमा उल्लेख गरिसकेको हुन्छ ओके